Continuing with the chapter structure of the earth, the Sial and Sema layers of the earth. Now Sial, it is the discontinuous layer and it floats over the Sema. Alright. So Sial is all the continental crust while Sema is all the oceanic crust. Now there is a thin zone of discontinuity. Alright, now this discontinuity, it separates crust from the mantle. So where the crust is ending, mantle is beginning. We find this Mohorovic discontinuity, which is based on the Yugoslavian scientists who discovered it. Now the second layer is the mantle, and it forms the layer between the crust and the core. The average depth is somewhere around 35 to 2900 kilometers. Now it contains magnesium and iron and the silicates that forms the major portion of it. It has got two divisions, the upper mantle or the asthenosphere and the lower mantle or the mesosphere. The upper mantle or the asthenosphere is all in a semi-solid state. So the plates of the earth, the big rocks, they flow in this layer as if they are flowing on the river of fire. So it is when these layers, they clash with one another, then the earthquakes, they are formed on the surface. Now where the lower mantle that is concerned, that is mesosphere, that is the solid layer of the mantle. In between the ending up of the mantle and beginning up of the core, we have got one more discontinuity, and that is known as the Gutenberg discontinuity. Then the innermost layer, that is known as the core or the barosphere. This is the central part of the earth and it is very dense. Mostly it is made up of iron and nickel. Now the outer core, it is composed of iron and nickel, and it has a temperature of about 4 to 5,000 degrees Celsius. Now inner core, it is a solid one and it is unattached to the mantle, and it has got iron and nickel as its chief constituent. So that was all about the chapter. The summary that is given at the last slide. Children, go through the chapter content, go through each and every technical term that is given, definitions that are given, the diagrams that are asked in the question answer. So everything is important in this chapter. As it is the chapter, it is very easy. So solve the question answers on your own. Answer the differentiate question in the form of a table. Let it be in the tabular form. Thank you.